childrens. In last week we saw about the lesson Vedic culture in North India. Today we have discussed about the topic is Vedic culture in North India second part and Meghalaic culture in South India. Now let's discuss about the topic. First one, Gurukula system of education. The Gurukula system is an ancient learning method. The word Gurukula is the combination of the Sanskrit word Guru, teacher or master, and Kula, family or home. The Shishyas resided with their Guru and served them and simultaneously learned and guide knowledge. The students received education through oral traditional meaning rote learning and were required to memorize everything. The subject of this study included the four Vedas, Idihasas, Puranas, grammar, logic, ethics, astrology, math, and military science. The students were also trained to lead and discipline life. Only Vijas could be Sishyas. No woman could have formal education. Next one, age-based ashramas. Towards the end of the later Vedic period, the concept of four stages in life, the four ashramas developed. Brahmacharya, student life. Next one, Grahastha, married life. Third one, Vanaprastha, going to the forest to meditate. The last one, Sannyasa, leading a life of an ascetic so as to attain Swarga. Next, we are going to see the second part of the lesson, contemporary culture in South India and Tamil Nadu. The later Vedic culture in North India and the Iron Age in South India belong to the same period. Towards the end of the Iron Age, people stepped into what is known as Meghalaic culture, that is 600 BCE and AD 100. Meghalaic period in ancient Tamilaham synchronized with the pre-Sangam period. The black and red ware pottery became the characteristic of the Meghalaic period. The term Meghalaic is derived from Greek. Mehalos means great and lithos means stone. Using big stone slab built upon the place of burial is known as Meghalaic. We are going to see some of the Meghalaic or Iron Age archaeological sites in Tamil Nadu. The first Meghalaic sites we are going to see Additionallur in Thuthukudi district. Among the artifacts unearthed were urns, pottery of various kinds, redware, blackware, iron implements, decors, swords, spears, and arrows. Some stones based and a few gold ornaments. Bronze objects representing domestic animals and wild animals like tiger and elephant have been unearthed. They peoples were like skillful in making pottery and in working stone and wood. The next megalithic site, Keeladi in Sivagangai district. The Archaeological Survey in India ASI executive in ancient town dating to Sangam age in Keeladi village 2 at Thirupuvanam Taluka. Excavation have been product evidence for brisk buildings and well laid out drainage system. Tamil Brahmini inscription on pottery based of glass, gold ornaments and iron object, shield bangles, ivory dies have been unearthed. In 2017, ASI sent two samples of this for radiocarbon dating to beta analytic, Florida, USA. They date samples as 200 BC, means BCE. The Roman artifact found at their site added the evidence of ancient Indo-Roman trade relation. The Periplus mentioned the steel imported to Roman from peninsular India was subjected to due in the port of Alexandria. Next site, Porundal in Dindigul district. Finds in this place goods, glass beads, different colors in red, white, yellow, blue, and green. Iron swords, pottery with Tamil Brahmini scripts, pots filled with rice, semi precious metals such as quartz, cornelian, bangles made of glass and shell. The discovery of iron sickle, pike, and tip of plough provided evidence that they had the practice of rice cultivation in Tamil Nadu. A part of rice of Porundal site provides that rice was people's staple food. Next is Payampalli in Vellore district. Archaeological finds iron artifact along with megalithic, black and red ware pottery have been found. Evidence for iron smelting has come into light at Payampalli. The date of this culture based on radiocarbon dating, that means 1000 BC, means BCE. The next is Kudumana in Erode district. It is identified with the Kudumanam of Paditrupattu. More than 300 poetry inscription in Tamil Brahmini have been discovered there. Archaeological have been also discovered spindle walls used for making their from cotton and pieces of cloth along with tools, weapons, ornaments, beads, particularly cornelian. A men have founded at burial site in ascended to the Megalithic period. Next one, Megalithic monuments in Tamil Nadu. The people who lived during the last stage of the New Stone Age behind to follow the megalithic system of burial. According to the system, the dead body was placed in a big pot along with burial goods. The megalithic movements bear witness to a highly advanced stage of civilization with the knowledge of iron and communicate living. Iron and community living. Next one, Dolomites. Dolomites are megalithic tombs made of two or more upright stones with a single stone laying across the burial sites. Megalithic Dolomites have been founded in Veeraraghapuram village in Kanjipuram district, Kummaramaratupatti in Dindukkal district, and in Narasingapatti, Madurai district. Next is Menhir. In Britain language, men means stone and here means long. They are monolithic pillar planted vertical into the ground in memory of the dead. Men are at Singarpalayam in Tirupur district and at Vembur in Theni district points to the extent of the ancient settlement along the banks of river Upper. Menhirs are founded at Narsingapatti in Madurai district, Kumarihalpalayam and Kudumalai in Erode district. Next is Hero Stones. Hero Stones is a memorial stones raised in remembrance of the honorable death of the hero in a battle or those who lost their living whilst defending their village from animals or enemies. Hero stones are founded at Manur village near Palani, Dindukkal district, Velalankotai, Tuticorin district, and Puliyangombai, Dindukkal district. Childrens, let's have a recap of this lesson. The Aryans migrated to India around 1500 BC, means BCE. The Vedic text form the important sources of this period. Rig Vedic polity was kingship based. When the Aryans moved eastwards, the early settlement were replaced by the territorial kingdoms. Use of iron plough and axes helped more areas of land under cultivation. Evaluation of political, economic, and the religious structure in Rigvedic and later Vedic society, and different between early and later Vedic period. The Megalithic or Iron Age culture in Tamil Nadu, and four Vedas Rig, Yajur, Sam, Atharva, and classification of the Vedic age, early Vedic and later Vedic. Gurukula system of education, age based ashramas. There are four ashramas developed, and Megalithic or Iron Age in Tamil Nadu, new arts and crafts developed. It paved the way for urbanization in the Gangetic Plain. The later Vedic society in North India and the Iron Age society in South India belong to the same period. Children, I hope you are clear of this lesson. Thanks to all.